my monster family. Hello, my name is Little Monster. I'm purple. It is my sister. She is pink. It is my brother. He is blue and yellow. It is my mom. She is green. It is my dad. He is orange. It is my granny. She is green and pink. It is my granddad. He is yellow. It is my monster dog. It is red. We are the monster family.